BNB or Ethereum? Which blockchain ecosystem is actually stronger in 2026? One dominates DeFi and smart contracts, while the other is building one of the fastest and cheapest crypto ecosystems in the world. Today on Crypto Meridian, we're breaking down BNB versus Ethereum, comparing price action, ecosystem growth, transaction speed, fees, DeFi dominance, and future potential. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Let's start with BNB. Right now, BNB is trading around $661.25 with a market cap close to $89.12 billion. Looking at the chart, BNB had a major correction earlier this year, dropping from the high $800 range. But recently, buyers stepped back strongly around the $600 support zone. The chart now shows consolidation with gradual bullish recovery, meaning traders are still confident in the Binance ecosystem. What makes BNB powerful is simple: fast confirmation speeds, massive Binance exchange integration, strong DeFi and meme coin activity on BNB Chain. Millions of users interact with BNB every single day through gaming projects, AI tokens, real-world payment systems. And because Binance is still the world's biggest crypto exchange, BNB continues getting utility across staking, trading discounts, and ecosystem rewards. But there's one weakness. BNB Chain is more centralized compared to Ethereum. A lot of critics believe Binance still has too much influence over the network. Now let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is currently trading around $2,126.77, with a massive market cap above $256.12 billion, making it the second largest crypto in the world. Looking at the chart, ETH also experienced heavy selling pressure earlier this year, but the important thing is this: Ethereum continues holding strong above the psychological $2,000 level. That's important because institutional investors still see Ethereum as the foundation of crypto infrastructure. And honestly, Ethereum dominates almost everything: DeFi, NFTs, Layer 2 network, huge ecosystems like Arbitrum, Optimism, all depend heavily on Ethereum. Another major advantage is security and decentralization. Ethereum has one of the most trusted validator systems in crypto, but Ethereum still struggles with higher gas fees, slower transactions during network congestion. That's why Layer 2 scaling solutions are becoming critical for ETH's future. So here's the final verdict from Crypto Meridian. If you want lower fees, faster trades, and aggressive ecosystem expansion, BNB looks extremely strong. But if you want maximum decentralization, institutional trust, and long-term blockchain dominance, Ethereum still remains king. And honestly, there's a good chance both ecosystems continue growing together as crypto adoption explodes worldwide. But now I want your opinion. Comment below BNB or Ethereum. Which ecosystem are you betting on for the future? And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more professional crypto analysis right here on Crypto Meridian. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.